Hello everyone, this is Dr. Abhinav, and in this video today we'll be discussing about the ESIC Insurance Medical Officer exam that was held on 2014. So here I am discussing the previous year question paper of ESIC exam which was held on 2014. So later in this video I'll also tell you about where I got this question paper, the source and all those things. So for today what I will do is that I will discuss only the questions and the answers. Because of my schedule, I couldn't discuss it with the explanations. But later, after a few days, if you need, we'll discuss with the explanations also. Now, this is the booklet A that that I will be discussing. So this is Insurance Medical Officer Grade 2 exam, 200 questions and held for 2 hours. So if you see here, they have given there shall be no negative markings for wrong answers. So let's start the solving the questions. So I'll be solving according to the answer key that has been given, but there were a few mistakes that were in the answer key. So I've highlighted a few in that also. And if you also notice any mistakes that we have been solving here, please do drop it down in the comment section. We'll find the correct answer for it. So let's start. In a lady with a threatened abortion, which of the following would not be useful with intact membrane? The answer is antibiotic prophylaxis. Which of the following is the best to assess endometrial cycle? Answer is hormonal profile. Which of the following is not seen in human beings? Answer is estrous cycle. A 18-year-old patient presented with primary amenorrhea. On examination, her breast and external genitalia are normal. She is most likely suffering from, answer is MKH syndrome. PCOD predisposes to the following except increased risk of ovarian cancers. The A wave in the jugular venous pulse is produced by atrial systole or atrial contraction. Answer is B. Calcium channel blockers are used in the treatment of hypertension include nifedipine. So all the dipines, amlodipine, nifedipine, all those are calcium channel blockers. Most important predictor of coronary artery disease is HDL. So LDL is also an important, but compared to LDL, HDL is more important. CURB 65 includes severe azotemia. The agent of choice in controlling heparin-induced bleeding is protamine sulfate. Northern blotting is used for analysis of RNA. So remember, north is for roti, so RNA. South is for dosa, so DNA. Southern blotting DNA, northern blotting is RNA. Rapid infusion of insulin can cause hypokalemia. Digitalis toxicity enhanced by the adverse effects of hyperkalemia. Best test for intestinal malabsorption, D-xylose test. Plasma urine creatinine ratio of 20:1 may be seen in pre-renal failure. So the answer they have given here is pre-renal failure, but in pre-renal failure it's more, urea creatinine will be more than 20:1. So please do check this answer. Low calcium and high phosphate is seen in hypoparathyroidism. Here the answer key they have given hyperparathyroidism, but low calcium and high phosphate is usually hypoparathyroidism. The most effective contraceptive method recommended in lactating mother is progesterone only pill. What is the drug of choice for emergency contraception? So levonorgestrel only pill. Most characteristic presentation of fallopian tube carcinoma is excessive watery discharge per vaginum. Feto-maternal transfusion is detected by Clay-Hoyer's PET test. So answer A. The drug used for medical management of ectopic pregnancy is methotrexate. Infants born to mothers who are heavy drinkers and are at risk of which of the following problems? So alcohol is mental retardation. The estimated risk of uterine rupture in a woman with a previous lower segment uncomplicated cesarean section is approximately 0.5 to 2%. Test for ovarian reserve. So answer is FSH. Most common nerve involved in the fracture of surgical neck of humerus. So answer is axillary nerve. So in children, all are true except with thick periosteum, soft bone dislocation or rare. Yes. Comminuted fracture are common. No. Comminuted fractures are uncommon in children. Most common nerve involvement in Oxman ischemic contracture is answer is median nerve. C. The principal steroid secreted by testis is here they have given testosterone. So please do check this answer. Pacemaker regulating the rate of respiration is pre-Botzinger complex. Hot water bottle relieves pain of abdominal spasm by stimulation of adrenergic fibers. Insulin secretion is inhibited by epinephrine. Here they have given. Please check this answer also. Nitric oxide is synthesized by arginine. A 55-year-old overweight female was given fentanyl pancuronium midas anesthesia for a surgery. After surgery, she was extubated, and on examination, her chest wall respiratory motion was slow, and she was unable to move her upper body. She was conscious and able to understand what was said, but was lacking respiratory effort. Her BP was normal, heart rate was normal. What is the diagnosis? So, diagnosis is fentanyl-induced chest wall rigidity. Protein is purified using ammonium sulfate by salting out. Leishman syndrome is caused by the deficiency of HGPRT. In C-reactive protein, the C stands for C polysaccharide of Streptococcus. Rothera's test is used for detection of ketones. Milkman's fracture is a type of pseudofracture. Complication of Colles fracture include all of the following except. So, non-union. Answer is non-union. Most common site of scaphoid fracture is waist. Left superior vena cava drains into coronary sinus. Urogenital diaphragm is made of the following except Colles fascia. Hybrid or composite muscle include all of the following except flexor carpi ulnaris. Gluteus medius is supplied by superior gluteal nerve. Celiac plexus is located anterolateral to aorta. In severe exercise, carbon monoxide increases up to 5 times, while pulmonary blood pressure rises minimally because sympathetic stimulation causes greater distensibility of pulmonary vessels. Non-respiratory function of the lung, sodium balance. Hot fermentation relieves the intestinal spasm by inhibition of cold receptors. 40-year-old patient was brought with recent onset personality changes and behavioral problems. He had diarrhea since few days. On examination, there was hypersalivation and blue lines were noted on gums. Fine tremors were also noted. There is no organomegaly. What is the most likely diagnosis? Mercury poisoning. Mechanism of injuries caused by lightning include all of the following except one. Compression effect due to compression air waves striking the abdomen. This is not the effect. So this is exception.